Okay, good morning, YouTube. Here we are on June 3rd at about 6:50 a.m., getting ready for the New York session. Already seeing a little bit of movement on the chart. Some volume is in the market. And just kind of getting set up here. I want to reiterate that these live streams are not yet the actual show that we will be doing every morning. We're still in beta trials here, just making sure everything works. But you can hang out with us. You will see us interact with each other. You will see us make some trades. But coming up, we're going to have a free trading course, be showing people here on YouTube how to apply the lessons and the principles in that trading course. So in the meantime, I'm just going to be setting up this live stream on the website, thebarcelonatrader.com, which is where all of this lives. And there we go. And I think we are off to the races. All right. Something happened to our music here, I think. It's interesting. I don't know how that happened. There we go. Okay. Let's take a look at the morning briefing. Actually, let me just finish getting one of my charts set up here. Okay. All right. Well, anyway, if I didn't mention, I am Mike McCready, aka the Barcelona Trader. Let's get that back up there. And let's put okay. Want to add this by go. And we make that gold for gold. And there we go. Okay. So we now have here at the bottom the dollar versus gold. Let's see the relative strength of each one. Let's see if we move it back a little bit here. little easier to see. It's easier if we put this up here. Okay. All right, let's take a look at our morning briefing. I'll bring that over here. Okay. And we'll bring our trading stuff up. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at where we are. All right. We've got gold is in a range. It's between 33.57 and I'm sorry, 33.51 and 33.92. Currently around the 33.56 mark. So I guess we are, closer to the bottom of the range than the top. That will be the same for gold futures, where we're at 33.75 and 34.17. Keep in mind that even though those prices are different, because gold futures is for future delivery, so the price is higher, the charts move in tandem. Even though they're at slightly different prices, in the exact moment that one ticks up one tick, the other one does too, and they're basically in tandem. Occasionally, the gold futures will move a split second before the gold, the spot gold, but not enough to really get a trading advantage. The dollar's been moving sideways. The 10-year yield has been falling a bit, denoting that dollar might want to, or that the gold might want to go a little bit higher. And volume has been elevated for this time of day. There's not a lot of volume in the market, but there's I'm noticing more than is typical at this time of day. Uh, so let's look for a moment at Forex Factory and see what economic news we have that is going to be released in our session today. Today being Tuesday, we have 10 o'clock job openings, JOLTS job openings. So if that is in line with expectations, the market might not react much to it, but if it is significantly under or significantly over expectations, we will see a reaction. So we saw last time that the forecast was 6.1%, and the actual is 6.22% last time. So this time it's projected to be 6.3%, or I'm sorry, 6.2% again. So if it comes in under or over, we'll see what's going on. I'm sorry. What am I doing here? I'm looking at the unemployment rate in Europe. Let me come back to this again. All right. Yes, this is given in real numbers. So job openings. And the reason that this is important is, on one hand, you have the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate can be high, but as long as there are plenty of job openings, that means that the market is healthy and it's able to absorb workers that are coming out of other jobs and wanting to move into new jobs. Of course, it depends on what types of jobs are open, but overall, this is the number that we look at from an economic standpoint to understand the health of the economy. So last time, the projection was 7.49 million, and the reality was 7.19 million. So about 500,000 fewer job openings than were expected, indicating that the job market might be slowing down a bit. This time, we have no forecast that I can see, at least not right here. Let me refresh the page and see if a new forecast has been created. Here we are again on Monday, here, Tuesday, here we go. Oh, yes. Okay, so there is a new forecast. It is 7.11 million, right? Remember last time was 7.19 million, so they're forecasting down. But if we meet 7.11 million then the market probably will not react. If there are fewer job openings, that's going to be bad for the dollar and good for gold in terms of price. If there are more job openings than projected, that will be good for the dollar and will drive the price of gold down. That happens around 10 o'clock Eastern time, just a little bit later. Okay. Back to overnight developments. So gold's recent rally has encountered resistance with prices retreating from a near 4-week high. This pullback is attributed to a modest rebound in the US dollar and profit-taking activities. Now, the dollar has fallen again yesterday, so we'll see if that drives gold prices up. The OECD has downgraded its global economic growth forecast to 2.9% for both 2025 and 2026, citing escalating trade tensions and policy uncertainty. I read in the Financial Times that this is the lowest projection since COVID. In South Korea, citizens are voting in a snap presidential election following the impeachment of former President Yoon Suk Yeol. The outcome could influence regional stability and investor sentiment. So the technical outlook, immediate resistance, 3360, breakout above 3390. Now, right now we're at 3356. So the 3361 does apply to us. 3390 is a little far away. Major resistance at 3417. That's quite far away. Immediate support, 3345. That does apply to us. 3345 coincides with what I'm looking at here on the chart, a area of bull volume and yesterday's value area low. So that does make sense. All right, gold is facing resistance amid profit taking and slight dollar rebound. But again, dollar's been down overnight, so that I'm not sure how accurate that is. Yields, mixed yields with long-term yields falling and short-term yields rising. The VIX, the volatility index, is subdued, indicating a lack of immediate market stress. So that all sounds correct. Bullish scenario, a sustained move above 3390 could signal further upside. Yeah, that's all great. But we are scalping here on the 10-second chart. So we're really looking for, much smaller movements than those big swings out into those numbers. Okay, so that is the morning briefing. Let's get back to the charts. What do we have? There's the VIX, as I said, down here, around 18. We're talking about normal market conditions. Of course, this hasn't moved overnight. It moves with the S&P, which only moves during market hours in the US. Dollar, oh, look at that. I guess I was a little wrong, at least in the last 30 minutes or so. It has been rising and rising, but it has come down from here. So, up here we were at 99,642. Right now we're at 99,032. So, half a point down. We've got bonds, 10-year yield holding steady at 4.422. So we're okay there right now in the normal range. Here's a 5-minute chart of gold. And what we want to look at here is, where's price sitting right now? Price is sitting just above the daily pivot point, right? Just above the daily pivot point and just below, or I guess price is right inside this previous Sunday open. So that was not this Sunday open, but the previous Sunday open. You can see there's interest around that point right now, and the price is kind of being held like a magnet right on that line for the past, looks like over an hour. All right. We seem to be respecting a downward channel overall since midnight, at least, much longer than that. It's been heading down for a while, respecting this channel. So it doesn't mean it can't go up, hit the top of that channel, come back down for some sells, going back up for some buys. You can trade both directions if you can predict where price is going, of course. That's the big if. Over here is a Renko chart on a 5 minute as well. That just helps show, direction. You can see it's been in a downward trend with a couple minor blips up, enough to move the price on a Renko chart up, which has to be significant. This down here is indicated, this is a volume indicator, so it's showing as the yellow ones go up, that shows increased volume. As the blue ones go down, that shows decreased volume. Right here on the 5 minute chart, at least, we are at pretty low volume in the market right now. But if we look at a 1 minute chart, we can see that volume is, on a smaller time frame, much more up and down. Now, this indicator here, when yellow is going up, that does not mean that there's bullish candles associated with it. And it does not mean when blue candles are going down that there's bearish candles associated with it. That happens to be a coincidence in this spot right now. But what it really means is that there's volume. So the price could be going down, but this could be going up in yellow, indicating that there is increasing volume in the market, and the price is in a bear market, it's decisively going down. So the greater the volume, the more purpose, the more momentum, whichever direction the market is going to be exhibiting. And here we have our beloved 10-second chart. This is the only chart I use that is actually in futures. All of the other charts are in gold, or, I showed you the dollar and the VIX and that stuff, but all of the other asset classes that I look at while I'm trading futures is the spot gold market. We do our charting on the spot gold market, and we do our trading on the futures market. Now that is because price discovery is done on the futures market. There is an article on my blog at thebarcelonatrader.com about this. Let me find it so you can kind of read what I'm talking about. Where is that? Barcelona Trader. Let's go to About, scroll down to the bottom, and there's an article on the About page called Why the World Trades Gold and Why We Do Too. You read a couple paragraphs there, and then there's a read more at the bottom. You go to the read more, and it explains all about who sets the price, where price is charted, where the resistance and support are the strongest when you chart them, and so forth. And you read there, and you can understand why we do our charting on spot gold, and we do our trading on futures. Okay, it is 7:09. So I'm going to start setting some alerts for myself because I want to be alerted before each 30-minute candle, just so I'm aware that it's there. That's where higher time frame traders will come into the market and send price more aggressively one direction or the other. So my next alert is going to be 7:29. So I am conscious that the next minute is 7:30. Then I set one for 7:59. Then I set one for 8:19 because at 8:20, COMEX gold market opens, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And that one doesn't typically move price a lot, but it does a little bit. So I like to make sure that I'm aware of that. Then the next alert will be 8:29, 8:59, 9:29, 9:59. And usually I am off the charts by 10 or just a little bit after 10. But in case something is happening or the market is especially volatile, or in this case, because we have job openings at 10, I'll probably be on a little bit later today. So I'm going to set one for 10:29 and 10:59. And certainly I'll be off the charts by 11 today. Okay. That's that for getting us started. I'm going to take these back to the kitchen, grab myself a little something to drink, and like a, I don't know, water, Diet Coke or something, and then we'll come back and make some money. All right. Nothing like a Diet Coke at 7-Eleven in the morning. Oh, okay. We have come down, but we're still in this channel here on the 10-minute that you see on the screen. So now that we're breaking below it, I want to look and I see, okay, there's a big support right below here, and we're coming up on the daily pivot. So if we go over here, you see this purple line here is the daily pivot. I don't, there's a little bit that I could get between here and there, but I don't want to trade into the daily pivot. If it gets below the daily pivot, I'll trade that. Or if it starts bouncing up above the daily pivot, we could trade that. But this isn't a trade I want to take because when price hits the pivot, all bets are off. Okay. All right, let's see now. Now you see how we bounced there? Did it hit the pivot? It spiked down into the pivot and then reversed. All right, that's a good reason not to take a sell there. Could we have taken a buy? I mean, sure, but well, it's not my trade this morning. And not quite in the saddle yet. But if somebody took that trade and made some money, congrats. Totally legit trade. Totally legit trade. All right. So it is 7:14. Session begins. Oh, and it looks like I am somehow logged into Tradovate somewhere else. There it is. I see it. Okay. Log in here. Okay. Now, trading to the upside here wouldn't be a bad idea. But I'm not getting enough signals on my indicators that really inspire confidence that we're moving up, at least not very decisively. And again, what happened to our music? Looks like our music crashed. All right. And we wait like lions in the grass on the Serengeti. We wait for our prey to show itself, and then we pounce. All right, we'll turn that down a little bit. Sounds like it's a little loud. We're not trying to have a little trading with our music. We're trying to have a little music with our trading. Okay, we might be seeing a buy here. Maybe just one more little confirmation. I don't love it. The B setup at best, but might be getting through this. Okay. All right, nothing right there. Okay. We got something coming down here now. All right, we've got 1 minute for the 7:30. Let's see what happens. Let's see. We've got 27 seconds. I'm sorry, 30 seconds for 7:30. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7:30.
It's good, brother.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. How you doing, man?
All right, just ticked off 7:30.
Okay, good. Here we are. Above the daily pivot.
Yep. Well, we're right on top of previous Sunday open as well.
Okay. Are you going this way? Out of it here.
What's that?
A little out of it today, this morning.
Oh yeah.
From what I was dealing with last night.
Oh.
Figured I'd show up and try anyway. You know what I mean?
Well, We'll probably get some trades today. There's news that the Jolts is at 10. If we make it that far. If we haven't made all the money by then. I should tell YouTube that, some days we just clean out all the money in the market before it's even 10 o'clock. And, we just have to go away. What are we going to do?
We're that good. So you did good last night, huh? That's great.
Did all right. Yeah. Did all right.
Yeah, I got it like that. Learn to just take a break. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I just went at it I went back to bed for about maybe 40 minutes. I couldn't sleep because my brain was running.
Mm-hmm.
I got up and got on this book and just went at it up until when I realized it was 6 o'clock. And at 6 o'clock, I hadn't eaten, drank water, nothing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like,
that can happen.
Yeah. All right, let's see what we got going on.
We might be looking at a breakout here. This would be good. We've got this resistance on the 1 minute, and that's about it. But I have an eye in this breakout for the last couple run-ups.
Okay. Do you know from where?
What's that?
Where did it run from?
Ran from 33.80 on the futures chart.
Okay, let me get over here. Hold on. Okay. Up to 83.
Yeah, up to 83, and here it's kind of pushing through, which is a resistance on the 1 minute.
Right.
And the Renko's got these couple small resistances right above it, but if it breaks through all this,
right. It's also on the 5 minute too. It's really tight.
Yeah. But it has a little room to run there on the 5 minute.
On your Hakanashi, you see room on it?
Do I see what?
You see room on the Hakanashi chart?
Once it breaks through this
that resistance.
5 minutes, yeah.
Yeah.
I think we're going.
You're in. still in it.
Yep.
And where do you shop for food in New York, man?
Usually we go to New Jersey once a week or once every couple weeks to see my wife's mother, and we just
Hmm.
go to a New Jersey shopping, New Jersey, like a ShopRite or something like that.
Right, right, okay.
Um, right around us we have, uh, I think there's a Trader Joe's, there's a Fairway, and then there's kind of a what's called Broadway Market, which is a kind of a small grocery store. And we
Right.
pick up things from there, when we like, need something that we are out of. But typically, well, we also order from Fresh Direct quite a bit.
Yeah.
Where do you guys go?
We got a million places to go here.
Yeah,
When we living in New York, man, it was so expensive.
yeah, yeah,
I was like, wow, I wonder what's the food like there.
yeah,
We
yeah,
go, we have Costco, we have Whole Foods,
yeah,
Trader Joe's, a
yeah,
shop, right? Places like that. But New York, it was rough. I was like, oh, that food is ridiculously
yeah,
expensive.
yeah. There's a Costco up in Harlem, but it's a pain in the ass to go there and park and everything.
Right. Uh, I had a student, John. He's an older guy. He was doing really well on his demo account, and he didn't tell me he was going live because he wasn't ready.
Hmm.
He put like $1,000 in and lost it in like one day.
Ooh.
So I said, John, why didn't you tell me you were going to go live? I would have told you weren't ready. He said, no, I was doing great on my demo. I said, the demo is a demo. I said, did you take the new course? He said, yeah, I failed every test. I said, that would have told you right there. You ain't ready. I said, you failed every test, but wouldn't that tell you not to go live? I'm like, oh, man. And I don't make the test hard either, you
Right,
know?
right,
I just make it just so that they know certain things.
right.
I couldn't believe it. I said, "Oh my goodness, man!"
So is he still gonna trade, or did he get
Yeah,
this?
no, he's going right back to it. He just went back to the demo and had to reevaluate himself. You know,
Yeah,
they want to take shortcuts.
yeah.
There's no
Why don't they,
shortcuts in this.
why doesn't he join our live streams?
He did join it a few times. You remember the older guy?
Yeah, yeah, I remember. He just kind of popped on and then popped off.
Yeah, pop on, pop off. Exactly. That was him. You know,
Yeah,
like I don't get it, man. We give you the live streams. We're here for you. All
yeah,
you gotta do is send a text, or he even has my number. You know,
yeah. He
we
gets
just
our
gotta.
email. He gets the morning
He
briefing,
gets
and
the morning briefing, yep,
he gets
because
the
I can't
invitation.
respond to him.
Yeah,
He just went and jumped into a live account like 1, 2, and 3. I'm like, come on, man. And he has the futures account.
mm.
It'll probably be a slow day. One folder at 10.
Yeah. It's a boom boom stick morning.
Yeah. Excuse me.
Where did I put that? Oh, here it is. Oh, that'll wake you up. This zone we're pushing up into right now is last week's high.
Okay.
And I've been oscillating around that for the last few hours. Okay, so now it decides to go up.
I have an MM3 at 3363.
Yeah, I got it at 3364, almost 3365.
Yes, we'd probably trade that if it starts to go up a little bit.
Could trade up to that, you think?
Yeah, if it breaks this area, I think it's just creeping up on it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Nothing's clean. It wants to go up, but this resistance really is creeping. Do you remember where you got into your first trade?
Yeah, right around 3359 or something like that.
33.59. Okay.
Or yeah, I can't remember. I'll have to look here on the futures. On futures, I got on at 3383.8.
We're at almost where we are now.
Yeah, we're a little above it. It would have paid me out now.
Yeah.
I took a 160 loss on that.
At least you got out with clean.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, mentality I have now is I'm pretending like I'm trading mine and other people's money, you know, when we start doing the copy trading. And so that's going to help me That's going to help me cut him sooner.
You can probably trade this little area here from 80, what is that, 83 to 80? Nah, it's too tight.
Yeah, and doing so is just out of kind of boredom because we don't have the setups that we want.
Exactly.
And
No, we don't really need to look for the perfect trade, right? But it just has to have a little bit of space to give us some movement.
yeah. I published an article on my blog today about what happens when the AIs start fighting each other.
I started it, yeah. I wonder what will happen. Did you come to a conclusion?
Yeah.
I'll read it, yeah. We're just, the whole AI thing is so incredible, but it's really just dumbing us down. You know what I mean?
Yeah, in some ways, yeah.
But think about it. When you were a kid, you had to know at least 4 or 5 telephone numbers by heart. Right?
Yeah.
Your mom, your home, your mom's work, dad's work, grandma. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I can't even remember my wife's number.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, it's just not there. That part of the brain is gone, man. And I don't think that's just because of my TBI. I
Yeah.
don't think anybody knows anybody's numbers anymore.
No, you don't have to know them.
I saw one of these, I think it was on TikTok. This cop stopped a kid and said, "Where do you live?" He said, "I don't know." "What's your mother's name, Mom?" "What's your father's name, Dad?" It's like, this kid was so dumb. It was like unbelievable, man. We knew where we lived. We knew what street. We knew how to spell it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know where I live. What, you don't know what street you live in? No. It's like, and he was old enough to know. You know what I mean? I was
Right.
like, what?
Right. There's no XAU trades to trade here either. It's just
No, there's nothing.
around.
It's just stuck.
All right, we got 1 minute and 10 seconds for the 8 o'clock candle.
Good morning, guys.
Hey,
Rock.
How you
What's up,
doing?
buddy? Good. How you doing, man?
Good.
the hedge hammer.
Be the hedge hammer, sure. How was last night?
I did okay. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
I didn't really trade, did I?
No, you stuck around for a couple trades and then called it a night.
Yeah, I wasn't feeling well. I'm not feeling well now, actually.
Oh. You feel better, Tono? You said?
No, I'm writing this book, and I just went at it too long on the computer, and it messes up my head. You know what I mean? When I stare at the computer screens too long, I get this this bad feeling.
Oh.
You know, it's like, just imagine looking at a strobe light.
Right. Oh.
Constantly. That's the effect that it has on me.
Wow.
Like if you were just to stare at a strobe light for an hour.
Oh, Jesus.
You know, you get nauseous and dizzy, and
Totally.
it's a horrible feeling, man. Discombobulated.
Oh. No discos for you, young man.
Yeah. No, that stuff's over. I can't even watch movies with strobe lights, man.
Oh,
Yeah, I had a brain injury, right?
right. You mentioned it was a motorcycle accident.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
So now when I see strobe lights, it sends me into this space that it's not a good space.
Okay. But it doesn't lead to a seizure, does it?
They are seizures, but they're not the what are they called? What's it called? I can't even think right now.
Like an epileptic seizure.
Epileptic seizures. They're not epileptic seizures, but but my brain does have seizures.
Okay.
But it's like an internal seizure.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
You know
Gotcha.
what I mean? Where once it happens, I'm disassociated. I'm not sure where I'm at.
Ah.
If you said spell, if you said say the ABC, they would come out wrong. If,
Oh my God. That's
and it takes about an hour for it to kind of rewire and get back to where I need to be.
shit. That's brutal.
Yeah.
That's brutal. Shit. Sorry.
All right, it's going down, Mike.
Somebody take a cell?
I did.
Yeah.
I'll try it.
I'm waiting for the wrinkle to turn. Both of you in?
Yeah, I am.
I thought this had more momentum given it was the 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't like the way the wrinkle was moving, so that's why I didn't get in. You guys got to learn to kind of just wait a second. You tried to catch the run on the 8 o'clock candle,
Yeah.
and it kind of fuzzed you out. Still think it's going down though.
I should just take that.
Yeah, I took that. You guys still in?
Yeah. There we go.
Out at 120.
Came out at 120.
Yeah. Nice.
You guys are too quick to get in and too quick to get out.
Yep.
Saying should have held it longer?
Yeah, look
Yeah.
at it.
Is it worth getting back in?
It looks a little funky now,
Yeah.
but I still think it's coming down.
Yep. Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Now it's going to hit this bull volume.
Now I'm out. So I made 260 on that same trade.
nice. Okay. I
What
see
I'm
what
trying
you
to
mean.
say to you guys is, when you get in too soon,
Yeah.
first you got to deal with the reversement that it went up, and then you think
Right.
about what you're going to get out with a loss, right?
Right.
Then when you started to see the move, you're not looking at the wrinkle, because the wrinkle is telling you that it hasn't been fulfilled yet, right?
Mhm.
So instead of taking $100, you could have took 260. It's still going down.
Yeah.
But I think we're
Any
on
resistance here?
the daily pivot now.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't recommend taking any further than that.
Yep.
Uh-oh.
Going through that pivot.
Did it break the pivot?
Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Now it's at the
Mhm.
WR1. So got a lot of support to break through. Looking here at the 15-minute daily pivot, the 15 Hakanashi, the 5 Hakanashi, and the 1 Hakanashi.
The way it came down, it can break it. If it wants to.
If I could switch gears mentally quickly enough, I should have taken that
The buy?
buy.
Yeah.
Looks like it's going to come down again. But we're still above the daily pivot again. So not going to take this.
You're not. It's only 1 pip above the daily pivot, so.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah, I'm not going to take it. Are you going to take it?
No.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like it may even want to go back up.
Yeah.
Is it below the pivot?
It's below the pivot now, yep. Below the pivot, but it's still above the WR1, which is where it turned around. You in?
No.
There's that comedian, Nate Bargatze, who has this routine where he talks about the word discombobulated. He says, that implies that the word combobulated exists. But you never hear anyone say, I'm feeling combobulated today.
That's true. That's very true, man.
I'll be right back.
Funny.
Yeah, Nate Bargatze is funny.
I'll be right back again. This isn't doing anything right now.
It's still just playing games. We'll try and break.
Down, right? Yeah, it's trying to break.
This is where it got rejected last time, though.
Yeah. Looks like it's getting rejected again. Yep.
That rejection gave us a buy that we didn't take last time.
Right. Yeah, Mike. Nate Bargatze is he's funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
He walks that fine line of almost MAGA.
It's gonna run.
I think so too. Let me know if you're in. We're just above the WR1 right now, though.
Oh, man.
You're in?
Mm-hmm.
It's trying, but not really getting it done. All right, we've got 1 minute for the COMEX open. Damn it.
You're in?
Yeah, I'm in, but now the COMEX opened. I don't like to be in right when the
Yeah, you don't know which way it's gonna go.
You're always telling me I need to wait for that confirmation candle, but we didn't do that.
I did.
Did you?
Yeah, I'm in profit now.
I got in after you. I'm in $10 profit.
I'm in 70, 130, 140.
Oh, took 140, I think. Oh no, I didn't. I took 100.
170.
Good job. I clicked out with 140, but it slipped me to 100.
This fucking MetaTrader's froze again on me. I couldn't get out of my scroll settings.
Ah,
I had to do something about this. This is not working. Fuck.
Can you exit on your phone?
I guess I could, yeah. That's what I just pulled up my phone app just now. I was in profit and I couldn't get out. Motherfucker. I made 140 off that other trade though on futures, but that don't help me with my meta traders. Unbelievable, man. I gotta get my PC working. This laptop is bullshit. We're hitting the pivot now.
Yeah, back up just above the DPP. Now it's coming back down below it.
I hate that.
Yeah.
It's still frozen?
It's kind of frozen, but I'm on my phone now. I'm just waiting for it to come back. But I hate when I see profit that I can't take out.
Can't take out, yeah.
And then it goes against me. And it's like, really, man?
Yeah. Yeah. I think it's because you're running too many MetaTraders on that laptop.
Yeah. My PC ran 36 MetaTraders
Yeah.
with no problem. Crazy, right?
That's a lot. That's amazing.
Well, I took that $160 loss earlier, but I'm back up for the session.
That's good.
All right, we've got 3.5 minutes for the 8:30. We don't have any red folder news at 8:30. We don't have any news, period, at 8:30 anywhere of any kind. One minute for the 8:30. You guys can hear the music or no?
Mhm. That's the 8:30 candle. Will it do anything? No.
Might be a buy.
Nothing's really clear right now.
Well,
but it fizzed out on us.
Yep. Everybody's waiting for the 10 o'clock news.
Mhm.
Now, a lot of what sane traders will do is set a couple of alerts, go walk the dog, go have a cup of coffee,
Yeah.
and when the alerts go off, you come back and trade it. Hmm.
Scrolling again. Oh, look at the weird one.
What's up at the swing high here on the 10-second? We're hitting this zone right here on the one, or on, on my XAU chart. We're right in this yellow zone, which is last week's high. Looks like we're starting to poke through last week's high.
Coming at the low volume.
No desire to take this buy?
I'm
It
thinking
was
about
a weird kind of buy.
Yeah.
if it pushes here, it might be worth taking. Man.
You took that buy?
Yeah.
I don't know. Now. Yeah, okay. I'm in. Fuck it.
Yeah, don't follow me. I'm negative here now.
Hey, man, I'm looking to lose money.
Oh, in that case, follow me.
I've got a demo account burning a hole in my pocket.
Step aside, hold my beer. Come on.
Now's not the. Yeah, that was too late. Well, let's see. I still go up. All right. I don't have that much faith in this. If we get to 0, I'll get out. There you go, Mike.
Not quite yet, but it's coming.
Tippecanoe and Tyler too. I don't know now. Uh, yeah. This is really not good. I gotta get out soon.
Yeah.
Because my fear is that was quite the spike. It ain't gonna. You got out.
I got out.
Doesn't want to go down, doesn't want to go up.
No.
The 9 o'clock coming up.
That's the 9 o'clock candle.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. All right.
Are you guys up or down for the day?
I'm down.
Almost up. If I can ever get out of this trade.
Are you still holding?
Yeah. It's gotten better. It's almost in positive. No, not almost, but getting there. I don't know if it'll get there though.
Was it a buy or sell?
It's a buy. It's the one that Mike
Okay.
deserted, rightfully so, way back.
I don't know what it wants to do.
Exactly. Wants to test my patience, that's for sure.
Yeah.
So close, so close. Come on, buddy.
Excuse me.
What's the point of that? I was
You're
about to
almost
get
there,
out of
right?
I was about to get out of $10 profit.
It was watching you.
What?
It was
Yeah,
watching you.
yeah. There we go. Ah. It's gonna be- Okey-doke. Let's see where it's at now. Nothing. That's just stupid. Oh God. What the hell happened here?
Like there's no confirmation of sales or buys. It's like one way or the other, right back and forth. This might be a sell, but
Totally. Yeah.
not really. take it, I don't think.
It's looking like it wants to come down.
Yeah.
It does.
Oh, that
this,
is
but when
not good.
it hits this area 59, it turns right back around.
Yeah.
Been doing that forever.
Tell me about it.
What's the FX trend saying, Mike?
Top one red, next two green, next two red, next one green, next one red, bottom two green.
Do exactly what we're saying too.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. It's a little bit of something. Okay. See what this is all about. Okay. It's the same thing. Where's that sound effect, Mike? From Killing Eve. Yeah, that's
What opens up at 9:20?
Nothing.
No.
Stock market opens at 9:30.
Okay.
8:20 is COMEX.
Is gold stronger than the dollar?
They're about even. Dollar's a little bit stronger than gold right now. Now they're even.
It's just gonna be.
I think everybody's waiting on the news.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
There's like no volume in this market.
No, not the move price.
Yep. Might be a sell. That's what I'm at.
You in?
Yeah.
Nice. Wish I had done that.
About it. 190.
Good. So you want to keep going?
I'm stuck again. My rudder trade is frozen. I don't even know where I'm at on my charts. It's just fucking ridiculous, man. Was that the 930 candle that did that?
Yeah.
Looks like it still wants to go, but I can't see anything. I'm blind.
It's on the DPP right now. So yeah, it looks like it wants to go again, but it needs to push below this.
Okay.
Outward 70.
Ah, come on, man. Motherfuck.
You went on the wrong side, Mike.
Yeah.
You bought or you sold?
No. I sold and I'm in negative now.
Okay.
What do you think?
How much are you negative?
I'm just asking whether you think it's coming back or not.
Let me see. I think it's coming back. Down to the south, sell side, you mean, right?
Yeah. Here it comes.
Outward 110.
Nice.
Be right back.
Fucking metaphor traders, man.
Get the fuck down. Come on.
You know, buy, right? So
I'm gonna sell.
this copy trader that we just did is actually frozen. Oh no, just let it loose. All right, fucker. Got out.
Yeah, I took 90.
Nice.
Yeah, but my mental capital is fried for the day. I am
Calling it.
I'm down for the session. I'm still up from last night,
Okay.
but I had a pretty big loss in that buy that we got in that I got out of.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Did you get out of that, Rock?
No, I mean, I took a loss. What I did was I took the loss, but then I went right into the other direction, which was a sell, and
Yeah.
I took a little bit of money in that. So
Yeah.
I'm down by 100 something. Not too bad.
Yeah.
I can make that up.
Mm. All right, I got to step out onto the terrace for a minute and replenish my mental capital so I can be here for the news.
Okay. That was not worth the wait, waiting that long to still lose money. I could have lost just $50, $70 and gotten out.
I'll be right back.
Yeah. Do you think it's turning around? It can only go up.
Yeah, it's 51.49 is a low today.
Yeah,
It's hard call.
right. It's near the low now. Oh, no, that took took a sharp turn.
All right. What'd I miss?
Dip down. This copy trade is not working right on this MetaTrader.
Are you talking about the one we set up yesterday?
Yeah, because I was able to get out of, I hit my buttons and got out of my other ones, but it won't get out of this one. This one keeps freezing. I don't know. I'll give it another shot before I figure something out.
What are you trying to get out of? I see two open positions.
Yeah, I've been trying to get out of this sell.
Mm.
Can you Can you do it on your end?
Yeah, I can get out of it here. Yeah.
Yeah, can you get out of it?
Yep. Boom. Out. There's a buy open.
It let you out?
No, the buy is open.
Yeah, I know the buy is open, but I'm thinking the thing might turn back around and go back up.
All
I
right.
wanted to be out of the sell, and I see both of them still there.
Oh, okay. Well, I got out of the cell.
I'm gonna have to figure something out. I'm gonna have to get this computer to the Best Buy Geek
Looks like we're
Squad.
dropping again here.
Can anybody tell me where we are with this?
Out at 150, a buy of a sell.
We're at 3366.9 on futures. This isn't worth the squeeze. We're already too low. Come on, motherfucker.
Is it going back up or is it still coming down?
I don't know. I need it to come down because I got in a sell. And I need to stop trading. I'm mentally shot.
Yeah.
Come on, bastard. Doing the goddamn retracement.
Going back up.
Yeah.
All I can see is my trading view right now.
I'm going back down, Mike. I'm not sure, but this may have to do with Ukraine blowing up the bridge between Crimea and Russia.
Did it do that?
They just did
Yeah.
that?
Yeah, I'm reading that. I'm reading it on Threads.
It should be
But-
going up then, not coming down.
Right. Let me.
Come on, come on, come on.
No, it doesn't seem that way on any legitimate news source.
Come on, you motherfucker. Let me out. Tell me that again.
You got out?
I got out with 50.
Nice.
Nice.
No, I think it's my wrinkle chart that's causing me problems, man. Fine.
So I see an open buy that is unhedged. Is that right?
Yeah, where is it at right now? Because I can't even see it.
It's at you mean where price is?
Where's the negative float?
The negative float on this one is 156.
Went that high. All right.
160.
So that's like 10 pips. Let me think. I think it's going to go back up. Let's watch a little bit. If it starts to fall lower, let me know.
Okay. You can't see anything now, huh? On your MT4?
I could just, all I see is the buy and the sell. The buy is frozen at 97.80 and the sell is frozen at 33.90.
Oh.
And it's not moving. And neither is my Renko. My other chart, oh, hold on. The Renko just started moving. Well, it didn't move. Yeah. All right. So the Renko is trying to move again. Let me exit the Renko, see if that helps. Yeah, I'm still frozen on that chart.
That's weird. I don't think it's the copy trader that's messing up. It sounds
No,
like
I think it's my PC and the Renko, because when there's a big move on a market, the Renko always freezes, no matter what PC you're on. You know what I mean? All right, hold on a second. Let's get ready to. All right. Did you put a sell in?
no.
You didn't put a sell in on that?
Are futures or XAU?
No, on the something's wrong, man, because I'm seeing the buy and the sell.
You told me to exit the sell, so I exited.
Yeah, but it's still live.
Live on all of yours, but on the one that I'm viewing, I exited, so it's not live.
But it's moving.
Because me exiting it will not trigger it to exit anywhere else.
So it's still live then.
It's still live for you, not for me.
Oh, so that doesn't help. All right, we got to think about that. What do you see your floating negative right now?
144.60. 148.
That's all you. So it's actually only $65 negative.
Well, I don't have a hedge, so it's one
Yeah,
140.
wouldn't you think it would have shut it off on my end too?
No, because this account is a follower account, not a sender account.
Okay. All right. So
Yeah, I shouldn't have touched anything on my end. I should have just waited.
you mean for this copy trader?
Yeah, the only way that I can rehedge on this side really is if you unhedge on your side and then rehedge.
Yeah, I thought that if it would cancel out on my end if you canceled out the sell.
Yeah, no, it doesn't.
And it doesn't. All right, so that didn't help me any. It actually helped because it stayed in. So that's a good thing, you know.
Yeah. But now I'm kind of screwed.
Huh?
But now I'm kind of screwed because I'm unhedged.
On this account?
Yeah.
But you are hedged.
No, I'm not.
Look. You want me to show you?
What are you gonna show?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture. Hold on.
That's your Ox account, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you're hedged on your Ox account.
Oh, I get it now. All right, I get it now. All right, I get it. So it'll cancel out the receiver, but not the sender. Is that right?
Right. I'm the receiver, so I can do whatever I want to on here, but it won't affect you.
All right, so we got to watch that one I think it's going back up. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
News coming up.
That is
So
the news right there. It's a sell. Yep.
uh-oh.
I'm gonna sell.
So uh-oh. Not quite.
Where's the market, fellas? Because this shit is driving me crazy.
33.40.
I can't even tell where the fuck I'm at.
I should have stopped trading when I said I was going to. The fuck is this? Oh, because we hit the goddamn DM2. Jesus Christ, Mike.
What did we do?
We hit the DM2.
And you bought?
I
or you
sold.
At the DM2? Oh, yeah.
Yep. What an idiot.
Is it going back up?
Yeah, it's trying to come back down now, but that'll just be momentary. Hopefully to let me out.
Oh, no. This is fucking nuts.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hey, Mike, that don't work, man.
Out with 10. Now it goes.
I got out with 10 also. I've tried singing lullabies to my trades. Doesn't work.
I didn't even get out with 10. I got out with break even, so I paid fees. I get back in a cell.
Where's the market?
33.35.
Yeah, Ukraine did hit the bridge.
Okay, that's gonna.
That should bring it up.
Ukraine's got some balls recently.
Yeah, they do, right?
I'm happy about that.
Is it going down or up?
It's
Down.
going down.
Ridiculous. I can't. I have not.
Down.
I'm trading blind here.
I mean,
Should I hedge
drastically down. Drastically down. 33.35.
That's where it's at.
Yeah. 33.34.
So I'm 20 pips away unhedged.
If it goes down 2 more pips, hedge it.
I had to change my strategy from 20 to 10 pips. Not a big enough account.
All right, I have it set to hedge at 33.32 even.
Okay, that's good. It's right under the day's low, and if it triggers, let it just stay hedged until I can figure out what I'm doing with this computer.
Okay.
I'm gonna figure this out today. I'm going to move some of these MetaTraders off of this laptop onto the desktop and see if I can get it to work. And then if that doesn't work, I'm going to take it into Best Buy.
Looks like we're retracing now.
Yeah.
Did you make up your loss today, Mike?
No, I'm about 280 down. From where I started. But I could feel myself, getting upset. So I just want to stop.
For your trading, you mean?
Yeah. I mean that I'm up for the, the day, so to speak, because last night I did well. But I haven't had a good session this session. Even though I have had a few good trades this session, but I just had that one big loss that just threw me off my game.
Yeah.
If there's another A+ setup here, I'll take it, but if it's not A+. This buy is looking kind of good though. I'm not seeing this Kursk Bridge news anywhere.
I did get one notification. So I think
Oh yes, Ukraine strikes bridge connecting Russia to Crimea with underwater explosives.
yep, that's what they're saying. It's incredible. Like people start telling you the news before the news sources start.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Phew, excuse me.
You would think that would have shot the market up. Had a little effect on it.
Yeah.
Is Mike okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Ah, there you are.
Yeah, I was just
Sorry.
I was just leaning back.
Okay.
How's your system, Tono?
It's frozen.
Oh,
No.
man.
Oh my God.
Yeah. It's like I can see only thing I can see is trading view.
Oh,
You know
It's
what I
nuts.
mean?
how many
MetaTrader's off.
MetaTraders do you have open on your laptop?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 MetaTraders?
Yeah.
Or did you just count your screens or your MetaTraders?
My MetaTraders.
Oh,
It should be able to handle this, man. This laptop should be able to handle at least 10 MetaTraders with no problem, you know?
yeah.
But I think there's something else going on that I can't put my finger on.
If you use that copy trader for all of your MetaTraders, then you only need to keep your one MetaTrader open, your sender.
So wait a sec. So the copy trader works off of the web browser?
Yeah.
Wow. I wonder if I can switch them while they're open.
I don't think so.
All right. Yeah, that's probably the solution, right?
Yeah, once you close your open trades,
Then switch over.
yeah, once you're clean.
Got it. Okay. What time you guys staying on until?
I'm thinking about getting off here pretty soon. I'm usually on here until about 10:15, but if there's stuff happening right after the 10 o'clock news, I thought I'd stay on a little longer, but it's not looking like anything's happening right now again.
Yeah.
What do we have? Do we have any further news today?
Let me see.
No.
No. All right. I'll probably call it. I'm mentally shot and I shouldn't trade anymore. I'm not in a devastating position. I just need to have a good session tonight and another one tomorrow, and I should be back to
Mhm.
back to good.
Good. Good.
You will, man.
Yeah. So I'll see you tonight, Tono. We can get back together on the website and everything
Okay.
later today, this afternoon or something.
Cool. Cool.
See you guys
All
tomorrow
right.
morning.
I don't see where my Zoom is.
All right.
Well,
All right.